to this story now. Proceedings are likely to be delayed at the Palmridge Special Commercial Crimes Court this morning. This is due to load shedding. The court is this morning expected to hear the 50 million rand corruption case against the former Transnet CEO Siyabonga Gama and his co-accused. Gama is in the dock alongside the Regiment Capital founding partner, that's Eric Wood, the former Transnet Chief Financial Officer Garry Pita, former Transnet Treasurer Phetolo Ramosebudi, and Trillian Asset Management Director Daniel Roy. Newzroom Afrika's reporter, that's Tumaole Mohlaoli, is outside court for us. He is going to explain exactly when it is that load shedding is going to at least give that court some reprieve so that the case can proceed. Tumaole, how long is this delay expected to take, and is there communication from the court officials as to how long this delay is going to be?
Well, Goli, let me start with the second part of your question about the communication from court officials. I'm going to step out of shot so that my colleague Luyanda Dala can just show you what's going on. We see that there's a long line of people, very frustrated faces here, people wanting to know what's going on. I can tell you that as far as communication goes, the communication has been coming from the security officials from the court here. They are telling people that they have to be patient, and as far as they know, they are not sure exactly when the electricity is going to come back. This, I'm told, has been the status quo since yesterday. What this means for the case, one can only guess, but I can tell you that as far as, of course, those who are accused, who are supposed to be in front of the dock today, I managed to speak to Mr. Daniel Roy just a few moments ago off camera. He is reluctant to come on camera, but he told me in no uncertain terms that he believes there is no case against him and the other co-accused. I have not spotted Mr. Siyabonga Gama here at the precinct, as well as the others, but as far as Mr. Roy is concerned, he says that this case will not hold, and he is confident that it will not be going further than perhaps a few appearances, because he says there is no case to answer to. So as far as the case is concerned, Goli, let us just remind the audience why we are here. Now, this Garry Pita, former Transnet Treasurer Phetolo Ramosebudi, and Trillian Asset Manager and Director Daniel Roy, who I've just mentioned, they are, of course, in the dock for allegations of financial mismanagement and wrongdoing. This is in connection with the acquisition of locomotives at Transnet. 1064 is the number that was alluded to before the State Capture Commission of Inquiry. That's the number of locomotives that were acquired by Transnet, and apparently there were kickbacks that were received ranging to the sum of upwards of 50 million rand. Now, Siyabonga Gama has posted bail along with the others. His bail was set, and he said that he is not a flight risk, as well as the others, saying that they want to stand before the court of law and prove their innocence. So that's the situation as it stands right now. We're not sure what is going to happen. The court orderlies as well as the security are now allowing people in, but it's still dark inside the court precinct. We will continue to keep an eye on this and let you know if or when this particular matter will proceed.
Tumaole Mohlaoli, live for us outside the Palmridge Commercial Crimes Court. Thank you very much for that update.